Baik, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. Permission to introduce myself. My name is Bunga Malika Putri and my friend Iksanul Fauzi and Rahmalaini. We will practice discussion about the impacts of technology for education. Okay. According to Compassiano.com, education is a process in which there are their dimensions. The individual, society, or national community of the individual and the entry content of reality, both material and spiritual, which play a role in determining the nature, destiny, form of human and society. Education is also an activity that has a specific purpose or goal that is a direct at developing the potential of a human, both as human beings and as a society to the full set. The word technology is often interpreted by the public as an electronic device, but by science and philosopher of science is defined as the work of science to solve practical problems. So technology refers more to effort to solve human problems. Technology is used to meet the needs of every human being in the dealing with problems in everyday life with the help of reason and tools. Many various technologies have been created today to help humans solve problems in their life. In the development of technology in the field of education can motivate students to be superior and more advanced in the use of technology. Technology can also be used as a means of communication, learning, transportation, business, data security, and so on. Along with the development of the time, learning technology has developed very rapidly in the implementation of the learning process. We can know by the use of technology development in the world of education as is done by teacher, namely by combining technology tools in the teaching and learning process. Technology has also has a positive impact. Mass media, new learning methods, the learning and learning process does not always have to be face to face, and need for educational facilities is met quickly. And also a negative impact, students become lazy to learn and abandon the use of technology. How about you, Bang Iksan and Rahma?
Uh, okay, thank you. In my opinion, the impact of technology on education is that it can help students to find information that they can find through textbooks and can also help teacher find materials that they will give to the students. Especially now that the rise of COVID-19 is causing students to be unable to learn face-to-face, the use of this technology has become an important role for students and teachers so that they can provide each other with information about the world of education, which we usually do through learning through Google Classroom or Google Meet, or a teacher who distributes material through PowerPoint or papers, and also a YouTube link. So yeah, that I can say technology is very important for education. How about you, Bang Iksan?
Thank you, Rahma. I think the impact of technology for education is so much of worse. For the example, there are various kind of sites that are not educational and make user become corrupt or influenced by their minds, such as porn, gambling, and so on. Make user lazy in helping their parent and like crime, crime such as cybercrime, where this crime is commit commit by someone with the intermediate of internet technology, thus printing generation that is knowledge but has low moral. I think for technology like this is so very worse because it's apa not use or this life. How about you, Bunga?
Okay, that's true, but communication as an educational medium, this is done by using communication media such as telephone, computer, internet, email, and so on. Interaction between teacher and students is not only done through face-to-face relationship, but is also carried out using this media. Teacher can provide service without having to deal directly with students. Similarly, students can obtain information in a broad scope from various sources of a cyberspace, media, or cyberspace by using computer or the internet. The most recent thing is the development of what is called cyber teaching or Maya teaching, namely the learning process carried out using the internet. Another term that is increasingly popular today is learning, which is a learning model using information and communication technology media, especially the internet. According to Rosenberg, 2001 to 28, e-learning is a use of internet technology in the delivery of learning in a broad range based on the three criteria, namely, e-learning is a network with the ability to update, store, distribute, and share teaching material or information. B, delivery to the final user via a computer using standard internet technology. C, focus on the broadest view of learning behind the traditional learning paradigm. In line with the development of information and communication technology itself, the notion of learning can become wider, namely learning modes implementation is supported by technological services such as video, audio, smartphone, computer, and the internet. How about you, Rahma?
Okay. You made a good point. I might also like to add that YouTube's video are very helpful for students in helping to find the material they need. Like when teachers cannot practice what they have to practice in front of their students, then teachers might be able to find appropriate video reference via YouTube. How about you, Bang Insan?
Thank you, Rahma. But sorry, the technology nowadays is very easy to access for children, teenagers, and adults. With this convenience, many people abuse it, especially children when they have to study and when they have study, but they even play game, which should be the test to of children to help parents instead play gadget. And I think it's so bad because the moral is so very low and what the and parents look like uh, parents look like silly people, I think, and it's very unfortunate if the use of if the use of technology should be that should be used for learning, the positive is misuse. How about you? And what do you think about this, Bunga?
Okay, might I say something? Robin Paul Ajula Harningse 2005-36 also suggests illustrately that in the future, the contents of school bags will no longer be books and stationery as they are today, but will be in the form of a notebook computer with the wireless internet access containing study materials in the form of reading material to be seen or heard, and equipped with digital cameras and voice recorder. B, awards equipped with the personal data electronic money, security code to enter the house calculator, and so on. C, pocket video phones with a software, internet access, game, music, and TV. D. Musical instrument. E-sport equipment. F. A gift for lunch. It's a show that the symptoms, the completeness of school children that time will be in. The form of equipment with internet nuance as a learning aid. As a process, educational technology is abstract. In this case, educational technology can be understood is a complex and integrated process that involves people, produce ideas, equipment, and organization to analyze problem, find ways to solve problem, implement, assess, and manage problem solving, which includes as aspect of learning human. AECT Munir 2008 211. How about you, Rahma?
Okay. The proof is many students can find out the material they are learning even if their teacher is unable to attend the Google Meet from Google or YouTube videos, or it can be from blogger who who share the material on their social media accounts, such as tweets on Twitter or videos they upload to YouTube and also Instagram. Therefore, technology is very useful in this role. And what do you think about this, Bang Iksan?
Thank you, Rahma. But on the based on fact, I saw with my eyes. It's true that the use of technology is not entirely for learning, but there are many things that defeat. I saw for myself with my eyes, yeah, that the behavior of parents toward their children was getting worse. Their parents were happy in shopping, and their toddler were treated by gadget. Yeah, I saw it, and in one day I saw like this, like that. In weekday, I found it 2 until 3, and in weekend I found it 4 until 8. The gadget is not good for toddler because if toddler play video, but not education video like animation video, but the brightness is so very high, it can it can read it, eh, it can this it can damage the eyes because the brightness from UV like from blue light from gadget is so very bad for children eyes, especially toddler in grow moment. Yeah. How about what do you think about this, Bunga?
Yeah, Bang Iksan, I'm totally agree. But it is clear that the effective of using technology in education has changed aspect of education and create more educational opportunities. Teachers learn about how to integrate technology into their classroom. Then students may be more interested in learning with technology. The boundaries between students and teacher are erased because of technology. They can collaborate in real time using advanced educational technology. Technology has helped in the growth of mobile learning and distance learning. The use of internet technology has enabled teachers to search students across borders, and also students from developing countries have used internet technology to subscribe the further education course. Many universities and colleges have adopted online education by creating virtual classroom. How about you, Rahma?
Okay. In conclusion, technology provides many positive role for students today. Today. The first being able to help students find solutions to problems that they cannot find in books, and can also develop students' brain creation to study more creatively and can learn to be more independent individuals in seeking learning when the teacher is unable to provide learning materials. Thank you.
By saying start wisely using technology, especially for education, not for opportunity to be lazy, which will ultimately harm yourself. Many good opportunity that can be achieved by using technology properly. I think that's from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you everyone for your attention. That's enough from our group. More and less so sorry. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.